Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to approach playing Pokémon X and Y on Android devices without using the well-known Citra emulator. We will immediately dive into understanding the technical landscape. It's important to recognize that running advanced console games like these on a mobile phone presents significant hurdles. We'll discuss the core reasons why direct emulation without specialized software is often not a practical solution for most users. Emulation software acts as a bridge, translating the Nintendo 3DS console's instructions so your Android device can understand and execute them. This process demands a significant amount of your phone's processing power and graphical capabilities. While many emulators exist for older systems, stable and performant alternatives to the primary 3DS emulator for Android are generally not widely available or well-developed. This makes direct on-device play without that specific software extremely challenging. One potential approach to play Pokémon X and Y without direct on-device emulation is through cloud gaming services. These platforms run the game on powerful remote servers and then stream the video output directly to your Android device. This completely bypasses the need for your phone to handle the complex emulation process itself. However, for a smooth and enjoyable experience, you will absolutely need a very stable and high-speed internet connection, ideally with low latency. To set realistic expectations, direct on-device emulation of Nintendo 3DS games like Pokémon X and Y without the widely recognized primary emulator is, for all practical purposes, highly improbable for most Android users. While cloud gaming presents a viable workaround, its effectiveness is entirely dependent on your internet connection. Always consider the inherent technical limitations of mobile devices when attempting to run such advanced console titles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.